Talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your HTC app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notification categories, just click on it. You come to this is here. You come here to receive discovery here. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color here, it's gone. That's me receive discovery notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking